Hello everyone, and welcome to our CSC 2 class, which is Programming for Everyone. My name is Nizar Dejani, and I will be your instructor for this class. Now, I do apologize for not sharing a video of myself speaking, but this is a rather decent and recent photo of me. Plus, I'm camera shy, but rest assured, this is me talking, and this is indeed my voice. Alright, so this course is all about the basics of the programming language Python. And there's so much I can say about why Python is such a cool and fun language to learn, but I will leave that to my week 1 video. Now, a fun fact about me is that I started teaching by accident, but it was probably the best accident I ever had. Again, I'll leave this as a cliffhanger and also entice you to watch the week 1 video, so I'll share the story then. But what I can say now is teaching is a labor of love, at least from my perspective. I truly enjoy walking you through this educational experience where I lead you from one point of knowledge to the next and also be part of this transformation. It's really remarkable, and that's what keeps me doing this every day. Now, this course will arm you with amazing skills that you can put on your resume, as well as write code that you can make part of a portfolio to showcase on a job interview and to future employers as well. So in other words, this class will give you real-world skills as well as provide you with highly in-demand qualifications. And to wrap up this video, I just wanted to give you some peace of mind. While I care that you get a good grade in my class, I care more that you learn the material and enjoy your experience. So part of my grading or teaching philosophy is that I allow corrections on assignments. So for example, if you submit your assignment and you don't earn full marks or even miss the requirements completely, I'll point this out in my grading feedback and I will ask you to make the needed updates. Then I will give you the chance to resubmit the assignment once again. Now, I do this because we all learn from our mistakes and also to give you a chance to improve your grade. So I hope this gives you some peace of mind. And of course, if you have any questions about anything in the course, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at any time. My goal is to help you succeed in this class and enjoy doing it. Well, that was it for my introductory video. So welcome once again to our class, and I look forward to working with you this term. Take care, and bye for now.